Do you instantly want to send welcome messages with the discount code to your new Facebook leads? This video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how just in few minutes I have created this easy setup wherein as I'm receiving the leads from Facebook lead ads, I'm instantly sending them the welcome message with the discount code on that mail. So here we are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to open this lead ads testing tool under Meta. As I do this form submission, a mail should be received by this person with these details which I'm going to submit. So here I'm going to enter some dummy details. I'm going to enter my name as current lead, the email address as current@pabblyhuge.com. I'm going to enter the phone number and then I'll enter the company as Magnet Brains. I'll click on this continue and then I'm going to submit this here. As soon as the form submission is done, I should have received the mail. I'm going to open my mailbox and check whether I've received any mail there or not. And here it is, you see that just 0 minutes ago I have received this mail. Welcome to Digital Dynamics. It is sent by this Digital Dynamics to this current@pabblyhuge.com. Hi current lead, you see I have received this personalized mail. Thanks for your interest. As a welcome gift, here is the exclusive offer code and it has sent me this discount code. So here, this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now if you also want to learn how you can create this, let's start creating this from the scratch. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can connect Facebook lead ads with Gmail in such a manner that whenever I receive a new lead, automatically the discount codes are sent as a welcome message to these leads. For this, we are simply going to build the connection between Facebook lead ads and Gmail using Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. If you are a new user, click on this sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 tasks and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features that are forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow and I have to create the workflow from the scratch. So I will select that and then I will name this workflow as welcome new Facebook leads with instant discounts, and now I need to select the folder. These are the folders which have been created. Here I'm going to select it as Facebook lead automations and then click on create. Here workflow created successfully. As soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I have to enter my trigger application. Now trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want that whenever I receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, automatically a discount code welcome message is sent to this lead, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new lead, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. Here in my trigger application, I will be taking Facebook lead ads, and following this trigger application, in my action application, I will be taking Gmail, using which I'm going to send the mail. So here in my trigger application, let me quickly take Facebook lead ads. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select new lead instant and then click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I've already logged in my Facebook account and that's why it is asking me, do I wish to continue with the same account? I'm going to continue as Michael. And you will see the Facebook lead ads will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Here it is, connection created successfully. Now I have to enter the page and the lead gen form. Now to get these details, first I'm going to open my Facebook account. This is my Facebook account and this is the Facebook page which I've created by the name Digital Dynamics, and I will be running all the advertisements using this page. So I'm going to select Digital Dynamics. Next, I have to enter this lead gen form. Now to get this lead gen form, I'm going to open Meta for Developers. You can visit this simply by typing developers.facebook.com. After landing towards this page, we have to go towards this developer tools, and as this page appears, I'm going to open this lead ads RTO debug tool. As I open this, I will be landed towards this lead ads testing tool, from where I'm going to select the page, which is this digital dynamics. And as I select this digital dynamics page, you will see all the forms which I have created under this page. So you can select according to your choice and preference. I'm going to select the lead form. As I select this lead form, I will go back towards my workflow and select the same form. I'll click on the save and send test request. You will see it will change to waiting for webhook response, and now I need to do a test submission in order to capture the webhook response here in this workflow. In order to do this, I'm going to open this lead ads testing tool, and over here I'm going to do a form submission. I'm going to first delete the lead, and then I'm going to refresh this page once. Now here it is important to understand that when you will be running a live campaign, you need not have to do this again and again. I will select the page as digital dynamics and the form is this lead form only. I'll click on this preview form. Now here you see this form has opened in front of me, where I'm going to enter some dummy details. So I'm going to enter my name as new customer, my email address as new423@pabblyconnect.com. I'll enter my phone number here. And then I'm going to enter the company as Pabbly. I'm going to click on this continue, and then I'm going to submit this. Here, as soon as the form submission is done, I'm going to open my workflow and check whether I have received any response there or not. Let me open my workflow, and 2 seconds ago I have received the response. So you see the name which we entered was this new customer, email address was new423@pabblyconnect.com, phone number was this, and the company is this. Here, as soon as we have done this form submission, we have received that response in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created is working fine. And now whenever there will be new lead, I will start capturing that response here in this workflow. Moving on towards the next step, whenever there is a new lead, I want to send a mail. For that, I'm going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for Gmail. In my action event, I'm going to select send email and then click on connect. If you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on this sign in with Google. Choose your Google account, Gmail account with which you have logged in your Gmail, and after choosing that account, grant away the permission by clicking on this allow. You will see Gmail will be connected to Pabbly Connect, and now we have to enter the rest of the details. First, we have to enter the sender name. Now, I'm going to enter the sender name, let's suppose Digital Dynamics. The sender email address is already selected. We have to enter the recipient email address. Now, how we are going to enter this? I am going to enter like this. I am not going to enter like this manually. Instead, I am going to map it. If you are an existing user, you already know about mapping. But if you are a new user, here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static, and the information will not change even when you receive the new response. Here, what I have to do, I have to enter / go towards this Facebook lead ads and enter the recipient email address, the email address which I have received from this Facebook lead ads response. The CC, BCC and reply to will remain blank. I'm going to enter the email subject as welcome to Digital Dynamics. Then in the email content, I'm going to write. So here I have entered the email content. Now I am going to map the name of this person to create a personalized mail. So I have mapped the name. Hi new customer, thanks for your interest. As a welcome gift, here are exclusive offer code. Code is this, get 20% off on your first purchase. Hurry, this offer is valid for a limited time. Need help? Just reply to this message. The email content type is plain. The label will be inbox, and I am not sending anything, but if you are sending anything, please make sure the file does not exceed the given limit given over here. After entering these details, I'll simply hit save and send test request, and we have received the response, and this response is a positive one. Let me open my mailbox and check whether I have received any mail there or not. And here it is, you see just 0 minutes ago I have received this mail. Welcome to Digital Dynamics. It is sent by this Digital Dynamics to this new 423@pabblyconnect.com. Hi new customer, thanks for your interest. It is sent by this Digital Dynamics to this new 423@pabblyconnect.com. Hi new customer, thanks for your interest. As a welcome gift, here is the exclusive offer code. You see, this is the same message or the mail which we have drafted in our workflow, and we have sent that. Now to summarize, we took Facebook lead ads as trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, we received the new lead and then we want to send a mail. We took Gmail as action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the required details, executed this workflow and finally send the mail. This is how this automation workflow is going to run, and here we have successfully created automation between Facebook lead ads and Gmail using Pabbly Connect. I've attached the link of this workflow in the description so that you can check this out and you can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting automation. Before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching.
Not only this automation, you can create multiple such automation using Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to know the different plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any issues, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.